This is the question anyway. All right, so let's go straight into getting the solution. Okay, now with what we have here, we can actually apply the multiplication law of indices, which says that a raised to power n times a raised to power m is equal to what? A raised to power what? N plus m. All right, so we can see this a raised to power n plus m is what? Is similar to 5 raised to power x plus 4. So applying this law, we'll expand this and expand what? This expression. Okay, so that's what we're simply going to do. So expanding this, we have what? 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 4 plus this 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power what? 6 is equal to 26. Okay, now from what we have here, we can actually what? Expand these as well using the same multiplication law of indices. Remember, if we have a, all right, if we have a raised to power, let's say a raised to power 2 times a raised to power 4, it can be written as a raised to power what? 2 plus 4, which is what? A raised to power 6. Okay, so we can use this, can what? Can also be this. So we can actually apply the same law to expand this, so we can actually get 5 raised to power 4 here. All right, so this is what we'll do. 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 4 plus 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 2 times 5 raised to power what? 4. Or let's interchange it, okay, so that we'll be on the proper scale. Okay, so we can put 4 here and put 2 here is equal to 26. Okay, so now we can see that we have things in common. 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 4 is here. 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 4 is also here. So we can factorize. Okay, in factorizing, we have 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 4 common. So we bring that one out. 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 4. Open the bracket. If this divide this, we'll have 1 plus, if this divide this, we have 1 times, this is what? This is remaining 5 raised to power 2 is equal to what? 26. Okay, I hope we are following. Is equal to 26. All right. So what do we do next? We work on this. Okay, 1 times 5 raised to power 2 is the same thing as 5 raised to power 2. So we are left with 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 4, open bracket, 1 plus 5 raised to power 2 is equal to what? 26. Okay, so 5 raised to power 2 is what? 5 times 5, which is 25. So we have 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 4, open bracket, 1 plus 25 is equal to what? 26. And 1 plus 25 is 26. All right, so what we'll have next is what? This 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power 4, oh sorry, times, is not plus, that is multiplication, times 5 raised to power 4, 1 plus 25 is 26. Open the bracket, 26 is equal to what? 26. All right, so we can see that we have 26 in common on both sides. So we divide through by what? 26. Okay, so 26 divided by 26, 1. 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 So we are left with what? 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 4 is equal to what? Is equal to 1. Don't forget, we can still apply the law of indices because we have similar base. All right, so we take one of the base, 5, and we what? Add the power, x plus 4 is equal to 1. All right, now we are going to, at this level, we are going to apply the zero power law of indices, which states that any number raised to power 0 is equal to what? Is equal to 1. All right, so we can as well say 5 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So where we see 1, we use 5 raised to power what? 5 raised to power 0. Okay, so we have 5 raised to power x plus 4 is equal to what? 5 raised to power 0. All right, now we have the same base, so we are going to equate the power. We can cancel out the base. So we are left with x plus 4 is equal to 0. To get the value of x, we'll take 4 across the equal sign into to the other side of the equation, and this changes the positive sign to negative. So we have x is equal to what? 0 minus 4, which is x is equal to what? Minus 4, and these are final answer. So the value of x that satisfies this equation is what? Minus 4. I hope this is well understood. Thank you very much for your time watching, and I hope you look forward to seeing more of my videos. Bye for now.